In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can buy the hosting from DreamHost. So, DreamHost prides itself on being an award-winning WordPress host, considering that DreamHost over 1.5 million sites for 400,000 members, and they are only one of only four web hosts that WordPress itself endorses, and they have a good reason to be proud. The unique relationship with WordPress, thanks to over 750,000 one-click installation, should put DreamHost on your hosting shortlist if you're starting a small site. So if you want to move beyond blogging, DreamHost has features that will appeal to developers. They can launch cloud servers in 30 seconds and they support apps like Ruby on Rails, MongoDB and Redis. So DreamHost is also an OpenStack Foundation gold member. The commitment to open source comes in the form of financial backing, coding contribution, and community leadership. So entrepreneurs and small business can't afford to be offline for long, so it's worth highlighting DreamHost's unique 100% uptime guarantee. So for every hour that your website is offline, they will credit you a day hosting service. So since DreamHost is willing to spend its own money on down sites, it's a good bet that you're still online. So let me tell you something about DreamHost. It was founded in 1997 by Sage Boyle and Michael Rodriguez, Josh Cohn, and Dallas Bethune, so four friends who were undergraduates from Harvard College in California. So the company name New Dream Network LLC was officially registered in 1997, and that's why they began when they began hosting websites. The group of friends have allow have open source software and technology and power to help to online people band together. So they built DreamHost on open source technology and made a strong commitment to helping the customers. So currently, Michael Rodriguez is a DreamHost CEO. The company hosts over 1.5 million websites and has 400,000 members in 100 countries around the world. So let me tell you what are the main DreamHost features. So it offers 100% uptime guarantee, as I mentioned above, and it has SSD solid state drives on shared and VPS plan for increased speed and reliability. So you can choose an unlimited domain name for our 275 extension, and you have 24 hours support, and you get unlimited bandwidth, unlimited storage of data, unlimited number of email addresses, cloud storage for user access and security, one click install for popular web app like WordPress, Joomla, and others, or 150,000 WordPress installations, easy to use proprietary control panel. So what hosting type and plan does DreamHost offer? So DreamHost offers a wide range of hosting solutions tailored for e-commerce, WordPress, and other small businesses. So shared hosting plan, low cost option. Shared hosting is the most affordable hosting. For the most small businesses that don't receive high level of traffic, shared hosting means your website is stored on a server along with other websites. So these plans are suitable for blog, database-driven sites, and personal and business portfolios. So if you get one free domain name and you can get unlimited domain name, you can host unlimited domain name. So you get unlimited bandwidth and storage, and you can get VPS hosting plan. So if you have a large business, use e-commerce, you are a designer, a developer, and then a VPS plan might be ideal for your need. Virtual private servers give the advantage of a regular server without a high price tag. You can get up to 8 GB RAM, unlimited bandwidth, and customized panel. So let's talk about dedicated server plan. So if you have a large business or getting heavy traffic, you may need a dedicated server. It can be fully managed for you. It's ideal for apps and sites with a lot of traffic, as well as resellers and agencies. So this is the most expensive type of hosting. And it comes with unlimited bandwidth, and it comes with 4 GB, 64 GB RAM up to 2 TB hard disk storage, or up to 250 40 GB SSD storage. It's full shell and root access and new SSDs and web-based control panels. So let's talk about managed WordPress hosting. WordPress is one of the most popular website builders on the web. If your small business is using WordPress, you will want to upload DreamHost WordPress plan. You have your first site fully optimized for WordPress and blogs. So WordPress specific plan includes VPS hosted, free site migration done within 48 hours, automated daily and on-demand backup, one-click staging, and up to 120 GB SSD storage. And it also has a pre-installed SSL certificate. So DreamHost cloud hosting is called Dream Cloud. Dream Cloud is comprised of a Dream Compute public computing service and Dream Object scalable storage operation. Dream Compute is much better than VPS because you can deploy and customize your cloud servers. With Dream Object, you will have a completely scalable storage service for all your data, and you can access it anytime. So the good thing about DreamHost is they offer a money back guarantee. It offers one of the longest money back guarantee in the industry, 97 days, which is very generous. If you cancel within 97 days, you get a refund. However, this comes with a couple of caveats. It only applies to shared hosting, and you must have bought your hosting with a credit card usually by Google Checkout. So, guys, this was it for today. And if you have any questions regarding DreamHost, feel free to comment down below. I will try my best to help you all. So thank you so much again for watching this video. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any notification from our next video. Thank you so much. Bye.